What's up, guys? Eddie Henry, XR Lifestyles, discussing exercise-induced appetite today. This is a real problem affecting a lot of people. So the more you exercise, the more your metabolism increases. The more metabolism increases, the hungrier you get. And people are feeding these new cravings and they're actually gaining weight. So the more they exercise, the bigger they're getting, and that's not the goal. We want to lean out and get freaking chiseled. Actually, the reason I'm even making this video is I had a client come up to me a couple weeks ago and say, Eddie, I'm done. I'm done exercising because when I work out effectively, I get ravenous, I can't control it, I'm getting fat, and this sucks, I quit. So number one, don't stop exercising, because then you're going to turn into freaking Gumby and nobody wins. And two, let's get a handle on the situation and figure out how to channel this awesome new supercharged metabolism you have into results. So what happens is when you train effectively, you build muscle, and muscle stimulates your metabolism. And when your metabolism is stimulated, you burn an extra couple hundred calories a day on average. And when you're burning more calories, your body's defense mechanism is to send out cravings. Feed me, I need calories, I'm burning more calories. That doesn't mean you're supposed to feed it. We'll get into that in a second. There's 4 things as your base that you're going to do for the rest of your life. Okay, number one, you're going to exercise an hour a day effectively. You're going to have high intensity days and low intensity days. 2, on high intensity days, you're going to eat 12 times your body weight in calories. And on low intensity days, you're going to have 10 times your body weight in calories. And then the 4th thing is you're going to do for life is these calories will be consumed every 3 to 4 hours. Now, these 4 things may change in terms of your exercise can get more effective or your nutrition can get cleaner, but ultimately you're still going to perform these for the rest of your life if your goal is to be lean and mean for life. So as your metabolism increases and you get hungry, you cannot feed this new craving or you will never see results. You never achieve your desired look and feeling. What happens if you feed it is, number one, you create extremely bad habits and addictions. If you're eating every hour, an hour and a half because you're starving, then your body will always expect to eat every hour, an hour and a half, and therefore every hour, an hour and a half, you're going to have cravings. And the second thing is, you can't handle these calories. You're going to end up gaining weight. You're going to create addictions and gain weight. So what's happening ultimately, and it's a couple hundred calories a day you're burning now, you need energy. And your body, if you don't feed it when you're hungry, will use body fat in your problem areas for energy. Isn't that the freaking goal? Your body will burn fat off your ass if you do not feed the craving. The second you have, even if it's healthy, slices of apples or almonds or this or that, your body stops burning fat off your ass and starts using the apples and the almonds and stuff for energy. So, I mean, let that motivate you. If you're a little bit hungry, again, assuming you're doing all these things right, eating the right amount of calories from clean nutrition, and you're still a little bit hungry, let that motivate you that this is my ass being burned off. This hunger I'm feeling right now is body fat being freaking torched off me. That, I swear, that will motivate you if you know that's what's happening, and that is what's happening. So if you want to see results, you might be a little hungry sometimes. If you want to be lean and mean for life, you will not feed these new cravings, guys. You will let this new hunger and this new metabolism work off body fat so you can get chiseled and lean and mean for life. If you like this video, like it on Facebook, subscribe to my channel, Eddie Henry on YouTube, and as always, check out xrlifestyles.com. Later.